Well, there she is. It took me a little bit to get it in there. I don't know what this shit is right here. Something is just like, I don't know what all this shit is. Don't know. It must have come off this towel. I really don't know what that is. I have to put the thing on there and dust it off real good, but it took me about 3 hours really to get this in here. And of course, we had a mishap. Somebody I love dropped the bolt that holds the shoulder bolt that holds the hood on over there down in the fender well, and we had to take the fender well apart, get the bolt out. So now we connect all the wiring harness. I've already got the coil pack connected, the knock sensor, and the crank sensor. So now we got to do the cam sensors, the oil sending unit, hook the ground wires up, get those hooked up, put the intake on, and get this vacuum thing right here. See, this goes in here somehow or another. I forgot how, but I know it bolts right here, right over here. And I got a bunch of bolts underneath it I need to put together. So I'm gonna put the intake on today, and then just get a bunch of rags and put down them holes, because I don't know what this white shit is and where it's coming from. I ain't happy with that, because this thing was super clean. You can see it? It's all over here. See all that? It's powder of some sort. Some sort of powder. I don't know what it is. It did storm yesterday. I can't imagine that being oxidation or anything, but you know, hey, whatever. So, yeah, it wasn't no problem getting it put in. Just, she went right up in there. No problems, no issues. Need to put the starter on and the other plate, the shield. Let's see. Get the drive shaft hooked back up. Bolt the carrier bearing up, and then hook all the wiring that I took loose down there off, back on, and then there you go. And we're still waiting on the exhaust manifold to come in. Damn it. That really puzzles the hell out of me. I don't know what that shit is. Might have to come up with a different idea of how to protect this thing. Alright, y'all, peace.